So today we are going to cook a fish in the air fryer. And this is maricod from Coles. So I'm just gonna rub egg and flour and then we'll see. As you can hear, guys, it's a bit noisy. Here's the fan in the back. That's the noise that you can hear. And I just preheated that one. So this is the timer. So actually you can choose whatever temperature you want, how many minutes, and then the settings like this. There is a settings for defrost, chicken, meat, fish pie, and I don't know what's that one, but you can choose the time to anything. Like you can do it for 10 minutes. So you just turn this button, the dial here. I haven't explored this one, but let's have a look what this is. Oh, that's the menu, right? So this is the temperature, and what's this one? And this is the temperature, so you can adjust also by that one. So because we're cooking fish, we're gonna have to do this one. So I just preheated this one, and you heard the noise before the fan is blowing. So yeah, we'll put our fish now, and this is how it looks like when it's on. So we'll put this on for 10 minutes. Let's check in. Let's see. So it's pretty loud, guys, the fan, as you can hear. There's no smoke coming out or anything, so it's pretty good. So as you can hear that's the noise coming from the mine. So 10 minutes later, that's how it looks like. And it smells good. It's probably, yeah, I'm just gonna flip it over and you see. So flip it over, guys, and it's non-stick as well. Look at that. So we're gonna put it again for another 10 minutes and then it'll be ready. So guys, 15 minutes later, our fish is very crunchy. See that? Very crunchy and looks ready. Yep, so that's one. That one's ready. Cooked 15 minutes and all the oils are there in the bottom. Here we are. And also these guys are dishwasher safe, so you can put that in the dishwasher safely. So that's one, and then we will try the chips soon. So that is our finished product. Crunchy and juicy still in the inside, I hope. Next batch with chips this time. So that's the inside of our fish, guys. Looks so juicy still. Look at that. Yum. Let's check the chips. Oh, look at that. Chips are very crunchy. And the fish as well. See? Let's open the chips. Look. So guys, after you cook, it's up to you if you want to save that for the next cook or you wash it, but it's advised to wash it because it smells if you don't wash it, especially if you're cooking fish. So we will put this in the dishwasher. So you will just have to take that off, and that's the inside. That's the inside. So that's the, and then you can take this off, this part off, and you can put that in the dishwasher. And then that's the inside. And then this one also, you can take this off and then you can wash it, or you can put it in the dishwasher. So that's the one. So yeah, that's where the oil goes. And then guys, let's have a look. Can you pass me the flashlight? Let's have a look what it looks inside. It looks like a, so that's how it looks like in the underneath, guys. See? And then every time you finish cooking, you have to wipe that section there because there's a little bit of a splatter on the top. There you are. There, you just have to wipe that one off. There. So that's the top bit of the air fryer. So that's all, guys, for the Phillips air fryer review. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.